Hey everybody, Mayor Houck here with a quick update regarding Haddon Heights and COVID-19. Hopefully you all enjoyed your weekend. I was working for a bit of it and quite busy at the fire department, so thus why you didn't see a whole lot of me. But let me bring you up to speed. Today we did our conference call with all of the county mayors, state and county officials, and we got some sobering news. To date, there are 242 reported cases here in Camden County. We had an additional 41 cases reported in the last 24 hours. Again, 20% of those require hospitalization. We did have 2 additional deaths, unfortunately, over the weekend, a Gloucester Township and Pine Hill individual, both in their 60s. And then today, we received notice that 3 additional deaths, one in Cherry Hill, a woman in her 90s, and 2 individuals in their 50s and 60s, both in Camden and Winslow Township. Haddon Heights also received its 3rd positive case, a woman in her 30s. So, again, I urge everyone to remain calm. We predicted this, obviously, with the increase in testing. There's going to be an increase in positive cases. But remain vigilant. Continue to practice good social distancing and good hygiene. If you're sick, keep to yourself, stay home, all right? And we can get you what you need. Again, there's a lot of organizations out there to support us. With that said, in regards to testing, last week I mentioned the county is going to be focusing its efforts on supporting the hospitals right now until more tests come available. A testing center is going to be open down in Camden tomorrow, and it's going to run through to the 15th on the waterfront. All the information is on the county's website. Again, though, and this is in partnership with Virtua and Cooper Hospital, so thank you, Virtua and Cooper Hospital and Camden County. Again, I want to urge everyone is do not rush to these sites. You cannot get tested unless you have a referral from a medical professional. So if you're experiencing symptoms, reach out to a medical professional via telemedicine or visit your doctor, and they will refer you to a testing center as needed. So our state officials kind of went over everything that the state's doing to support both the residents and small businesses in our great state of New Jersey. This Friday, potentially, we're going to have a Facebook Live event where the county will be conducting a meeting with the Small Business Association and a representative from the Chamber of Commerce to talk about all of the loans and grants out there for our small businesses. Briefly, our state officials did speak about mortgages, and right now the state has worked out a 90-day forbearance without penalty or fees on everybody's mortgages. So again, contact your mortgage company and they are prepared to work with you to get you that 90-day forbearance. Again, take advantage of that. Any questions, reach out to me in regards to that. So, Haddon Heights Council meetings. A lot of questions on that. So, moving forward, we are prepared. We're going to have our first ever teleconference meeting conducted via the Zoom app next Tuesday at 7 p.m. We will post the links and the numbers to call in or video in to participate in our first ever teleconference meeting. And I urge everyone to participate in this. It'll be historic for the town of Haddon Heights. More to follow on that, obviously. Now, obviously, I've seen on social media a lot of discussions about potentially classic car parades, bringing the Easter Bunny around town. And as much as I love how much this community continues to be positive and support each other through these difficult times, right now, Mayor and Council are not prepared to jeopardize the public health and safety and endorse any of these events. Now, obviously, this is fluid and dynamic, so things may change on a case-by-case situation, but right now, a lot more needs to be discussed before we publicly endorse anything like this. So, with that said, if you do participate, all I can say is please, please practice good hygiene and social distancing. And if you're sick, stay home. And neighbors, wave to each other from your doorsteps, but don't head down to the sidewalks and mingle. Again, good social distancing and good hygiene. All right, goes a long way. Check out my video specifically regarding hygiene and good social distancing when visiting John's Friendly Market. I love the owners and the employees over there at John's Friendly Market. Again, let's help them since they've been helping us through this difficult time. So again, you can find all of that. People have also inquired, how do you share my videos with your friends who aren't on social media? And I've just created a YouTube page. You'll find that link on my social media pages, and you'll also find them on the The videos will be shared on the town website. They'll be embedded there, and you can share them via text or whatever. But again, it's on YouTube now. So again, follow along. Mayor Houck on Twitter and Instagram, and my Facebook page. Any questions, feel free, email me, message me, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Till next time, stay healthy, Haddon Heights, and stay vigilant.